Good day everyone, especially to you, ma'am. I am Jan Aisen Patulayandig, DIT1 student at PUP Lopez. Today, I will explain the basic parts of computer, their function, and their basic handling. The first computer hardware, it is motherboard. The motherboard is the main circuit board of the computer. It connects all the components such as the CPU, RAM, storage devices, and expansion card, so they can communicate with each other. For the basic handling of motherboard, always handle the motherboard by its edge and avoid touching the circuits to prevent static electricity damage. Second is the central processing unit. The central processing unit is the brain of the computer. It processes the instruction and it performs calculations needed to run programs and operating system. For the basic handling of central processing unit, hold the CPU carefully by its sides and never touch the pins or contacts. And the third computer components is RAM or random access memory. RAM is a temporarily store data that the computer is currently using. It helps computer run faster when opening application and multitasking. And for the basics handling of RAM is insert the RAM gently into the slot and avoid bending or touching the gold connectors. For the fourth of computer hardware is hard drive or SSD. The hard drive is or SSD stores files, programs, and the operating system. The SSD is the faster than a hard drive because it has no moving parts. The basic handlings of hard drive or SSD is do not drop the drive and keep it away from the magnet, dust, and moisture. PIP is the graphic card. The graphics card processes image, videos, and graphics display on the monitor. It is important for gaming, video editing, and graphic design. For the basic handling of graphic card, hold the card by its edge and make sure it properly seated on the slot. 6 is the power supply unit or PSU. The PSU provides electrical power to all computer's components. It converts electricity from the outlet into the usable power for the computer. And for the basic handling of PSU is ensure the computer is unplugged before connecting or disconnecting the PSU. 7 is the cooling fan. Cooling fans help to prevent overheating by circulating air inside the computer case. This keeps components safe and improve performance. For the basic handling of cooling fan, clean the fans regularly and avoid touching them while computer is powered on. 8. Monitor. Display visual output from the computer, text, images, videos, user interface. Acts as a primary way users see what the computer is doing. For the basic handling of monitor, adjust brightness, contrast for comfortable viewing. Use the power button to turn it on or off. 9. Keyboard. Input device for typing text, command, and shortcuts. Provide direct communication with the computer through keys. Basic handling of keyboard. Press key gently to avoid wear. Use shortcut, example, Control C for the copy, and Control B for the paste. And the last is mouse. Input device that control the pointer cursor on the screen. Allow selection, navigation, and interaction with software. For the basic handling of mouse is move the mouse to control cursor movement, left click to selecting or opening items, right click for the context menus, scroll wheel for the navigating up and down pages.